a man could do it fine. One day we was rolling and I was towing down the line. Up come Willie Franklin screaming, the canary's dying. Well, if you hear them words, Lord, there ain't but one thing you can do. You better haul ass out of there, or you'll be dying too. See, if you ever work inside of a West Virginia mine, I pray to God that you never hear nobody say the canaries die. Well, as soon as I heard him, I turned and I run. I thought about my mother. I thought about my son. My chest started hurting. The air was getting thin. I was racing against the devil. I knew I couldn't win, but I started running faster. Lord, my feet were barely touching ground. Over my shoulder, I saw Slim go down. I knew I couldn't stop to help him, and he was my only friend. Then I started coughing, and puke ran down my chin, and darkness washed upon me. I knew my death was coming fast. Then I knew for certain the next breath was gonna be my last. See, if you ever work inside of a West Virginia mine, I pray to God that you never hear nobody say the canaries die.